For this recipe you will need 250 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, 200 milliliters of vegetable oil, about 15 tablespoons. Combine all the ingredients. First, combine the icing sugar and the softened butter. Then add vegetable oil. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water. Combine all the ingredients until it becomes creamy. Add sifted flour little by little. Here I used almost about 500 grams, but it depends on your flour quality. It might be less, it might be more. So you just have to add flour little by little until you get a soft and well combined dough. For the filling, you can either steam the dates or you can soak them in hot water. Blend the dates either with walnuts, peanuts, or sesame seeds, it's your choice, until you get a smooth and thick paste. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water. Mix well. Form small balls. Take a little piece of the dough. It must be a little bit bigger than the dates paste or the dates balls. Make a nice little hole for the date mixture and cover it entirely so it's all covered. Then place directly to the mold. Push down, make sure it fills the mold entirely. Here is our cookie. Keep the same thing until you are done. Let the cookies cool for about 1 hour. Add powdered sugar in the top, and here is the result. Hope you like it. You will find the ingredients and more information in the description below. Thank you for watching.